Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore. The LifeSaver Wayfarer Portable Water Purifier is a game-changer for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts who demand clean, safe drinking water. This lightweight and portable purifier is incredibly easy to use, ensuring you'll always have access to fresh water, no matter where your adventures take you. The ultrafiltration cartridge is a beast, removing a whopping 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and cysts. You can purify up to 320 gallons before needing to replace the carbon discs, which are easy to swap out and effectively reduce chemicals and metals like chlorine, lead, nickel, and cadmium. Plus, it improves the taste of your water. The Wayfarer comes with a 4-foot scavenger hose to draw water directly from the source, and a 1.6-foot outlet hose for filling your bottles. It's a high-performance purifier with a flow rate of 1.4 liters per minute, so you can quickly and easily filter large quantities of water. While it's not the lightest option out there, the Wayfarer is still portable and easy to use. Pumping mechanism is smooth and efficient, making it a breeze to filter water. So if you're serious about staying hydrated and safe in the backcountry, the LifeSaver Wayfarer Portable Water Purifier is an absolute must-have. Introducing the Gerber Downrange Tomahawk, a multifunctional tool designed for a variety of outdoor activities and emergency situations. One of the standout features of the Downrange Tomahawk is its low-profile maul sheet. It can be easily attached to your gear. The quick-release snaps allow you to access the Tomahawk in no time. The Tomahawk offers 3 primary breaching functions. The pry bar has a cant in the head for maximum leverage and an integrated prying handle for added control. The hammerhead provides a large surface area for impact and is securely welded in place. A large blade with a pointed bottom is exposed when you remove the chitic sheath, ideal for cutting through ropes, twine, or other materials. The Downrange Tomahawk features 2 G10 handles for maximum control and confidence during swings. The 420 high-carbon steel construction, combined with heat treatment, ensures durability and strength. Proudly made in Portland, Oregon, the Gerber Downrange Tomahawk is a versatile and reliable tool and be a valuable asset in any outdoor adventure or emergency situation. For outdoor enthusiasts, a versatile and portable grill is essential for enjoying delicious meals on the go. The Royal Gourmet Tailgater Grill is the perfect solution for tailgating anytime, anywhere. With its 2-in-1 user-friendly combo design, this grill offers both grilling and griddling options, catering to all your cooking needs. The ceramic-coated griddle plate and cast-iron cooking grates provide versatile cooking options, allowing you to cook pancakes, bacon, eggs, steaks, fish, and chicken with ease. Equipped with 4 independently controlled stainless steel burners, the Tailgater grill emits up to 40,000 BTU of heat, evenly distributing it across the 430 square inches of cooking space. Consistent results. The Spark electronic ignition makes it easy to start, and the grooved drip tray channels oil into the grease cup for mess-free cleanup. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or having a backyard barbecue, the Royal Gourmet Tailgater Grill ensures convenient and delicious outdoor cooking experiences. The Moon Lens camping chair is an excellent choice for your outdoor adventures. Its lightweight and durable design make it the perfect companion for your trips. This portable chair is compact enough to fit into your backpack or carry-on luggage, and it comes with a handy carry bag. Setting up the Moon Lens chair is a breeze. The metal poles snap into place easily, and the foldable mesh holders take shape instantly. Built to last, the chair features a high-strength aluminum alloy frame that can support up to 242 pounds. The seat is made with comfortable 600D Oxford cloth, a soft net material. Moon Lens chair is perfect for a variety of outdoor activity, including camping, fishing, hiking, tailgating, concerts, and more. Its unique ergonomic design ensures superior comfort, allowing you to relax and enjoy your time outdoors to the fullest. Choose the Moon Lens camping chair for your next outdoor excursion and experience comfort like never before. For any outdoor adventure, a reliable backpack is essential. Introducing the Gelindo 35L Tactical Hunting Backpack, designed to meet the diverse needs of hunters, survivalists, and outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted from durable 900D by 600D waterproof Oxford fabric, this backpack boasts a sturdy construction that can withstand tough weather conditions and rugged environments. With a spacious 35-liter capacity and multiple compartments, including a large main compartment, front pocket, and 2 side pockets, it offers ample storage and organization for all your gear. One standout feature is the expandable MOLA system, which allows for customizable attachment of additional pouches and pocket, enhancing versatility and functionality. The backpack also features a separate hydration compartment, compatible with 2 3-liter bladders, ensuring you stay hydrated on the go. Comfort is prioritized with padded shoulder straps, a ventilated mesh back panel, and adjustable chest and waist straps for a personalized fit. The backpack includes survival features like a whistle buckle for emergency signaling and a built-in rain cover for added protection. Whether you're embarking on a hunting trip, camping adventure, or trekking expedition, the Gelindo Tactical Hunting Backpack provides the durability, versatility, and comfort you need for a successful outdoor experience. In emergencies or outdoor adventures, having a reliable shelter is crucial for survival. The Emergency Sleeping Bag Survival 2-Pack is designed to provide critical protection and warmth when you need it most. Crafted from durable, tear-resistant, windproof, and waterproof nylon material, these emergency sleeping bags offer exceptional durability and strength. Reinforced taped seams ensure they effectively lock out harsh weather, keeping you covered and protected in the worst conditions. The professional-grade orange color enhances visibility for easy spotting in urgent situations. Compact and lightweight, each bag measures 80 inches by 35 inches when unfolded, providing ample coverage for adults. Despite its size, it folds down to a compact 11 centimeters by 7 centimeters by 7 centimeters and weighs just 4.1 ounces, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry. Additionally, it comes with a waterproof nylon stuff sack, convenient storage and transport. Ideal for camping, hiking, emergency shelters, or car emergencies. These survival bags are versatile and multi-purpose, serving as tent footprints, rain ponchos, or ground covers. With their durable and reusable design, they offer peace of mind and preparedness for any outdoor situation. A must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals, this ultra-bright handheld spotlight illuminates large areas and ensures safety during outdoor activities or emergencies. With a powerful 2,000 lumen output, it delivers a far-reaching beam to light up even the darkest environments. Its 4,400 mAh battery provides long-lasting illumination, ensuring you're always prepared. Choose from 6 lighting modes including high, low, flood, and red emergency settings to adapt to different situations. The Spotlight's IPX7 waterproof rating and 3-foot drop resistance make it durable and reliable in rugged conditions. A 120-degree adjustable stand offers hands-free lighting, and the built-in power bank function lets you charge devices in emergencies. The included wristband ensures easy carrying, making the FORTO Spotlight the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. The Loch series cooler backpack is an exceptional outdoor companion that guarantees your drinks and snacks stay refreshingly chilled throughout your adventures. Its high-density NBR foam insulation on all sides ensures icy cold beverages, whether it's beer, water, soda, or even lunch. Worried about leaks? Don't be. The Loch series boasts a waterproof exterior, resistant to punctures and abrasions, along with an IPX8 waterproof zipper. This leak-proof design keeps everything inside secure, so you can focus on enjoying your time outdoors. This backpack is built for comfort, even when carrying more than just drinks. The molded back panel and additional straps make it easy to wear for long periods without fatigue, perfect for trips to the lake, beach, or mountains. The Loch series goes beyond just cooling. It offers multiple spacious exterior pockets, a built-in bottle opener, and a stretchy bungee cord for extra storage. You won't need another backpack to carry your essentials. Whether you're with family and friends or enjoying a solo adventure, the Loch series cooler backpack is the ideal choice for keeping your refreshments cold and your gear organized. When you're venturing into the great outdoors, having access to clean drinking water is crucial. CamelBak Crux 2L Reservoir Filtration Kit provides a comprehensive solution for safe hydration on the go. Two-stage filtration system eliminates bacteria, parasites, microplastics, chlorine, and unpleasant tastes and odors. The first stage uses a hollow fiber membrane to filter out contaminants, while the second stage employs an activated carbon filter for further purification. With a 2-liter capacity, this reservoir kit provides enough water for longer outings. The easy open-close leak-proof cap and high flow rate ensure effortless hydration, while the leak-proof on-off valve prevents any unwanted drips. The Quick Link system allows for quick and easy removal of the reservoir from your pack. Additionally, HydroGuard antimicrobial technology inhibits bacterial growth, keeping your water fresh and safe. The CamelBak Crux 2L Reservoir Filtration Kit is free of BPA, BPS, and BPF, guaranteeing safe and trustworthy filtration for all your outdoor adventures. Stay hydrated and healthy with this essential piece of gear. Calling all campers and outdoor enthusiasts. If you're looking for a compact and reliable grill rack, look no further than Bitty Big Q. It's one of the most compact and dependable grill racks you'll ever find. Fold it up, toss it in your backpack, and you're ready for your next outdoor adventure. Crafted from high-quality 316 food medical-grade stainless steel, Bitty Big Q is lightweight yet incredibly durable. You can open and close it in seconds, making setup a breeze. But what truly sets Bitty Big Q apart is its versatility. With 3 adjustable levels, you can customize the grill rack height above your campfire. Plus, it's not just for camping. Use it as a cooling rack for baking or even as a roasting rack in your kitchen. Cleaning up is a snap too. Bitty Big Q is dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying the outdoors. We're confident that the Bitty Big Q grill rack will revolutionize your outdoor cooking experience. Get ready to enjoy the great outdoors with the convenience and reliability of Bitty Big Q. How does a Vornado heat your whole room without blasting you with heat and stay cool to the touch itself? Traditional heaters get blazing hot, focusing all that warmth right around them. Sure, it feels toasty up close, but that heat doesn't travel far, leaving the rest of the room chilly and stagnant. Most heaters only control the temperature right next to them, not the whole space. Vornado is different. Instead of relying on intense heat, it uses powerful air circulation to spread warmth in a fast, gentle spiral. We call it Vortex action. This creates a constant flow of warm air that fills the entire room, using your walls and ceiling to bounce heat around. With auto climate control, the Vornado senses the room's temperature and adjusts itself to keep things just right. Plus, it has safety features like automatic shut-off that gets knocked over or blocked. And since it doesn't use super high heat, the Vornado stays cool to the touch even after running for hours. Experience the difference. Whole room comfort, no hot spots, and a heater that's safe to be around.